Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn English for mental health. Learn words and emotions with Tagalog. Let's get started. Introduction. Mental health is an important part of our overall well-being. Learning English words about emotions and mental health can help you express your feelings, understand others, and communicate with confidence. In this lesson, you'll learn useful vocabulary example, sentences, and everyday conversations with Tagalog translations. Vocabulary with example sentences. Number 1. Overwhelmed. Na-stress o nabibigatan. English, I feel overwhelmed because I have too many responsibilities. Tagalog, pakiramdam ko ay nabibigatan ako dahil napakarami kong responsibilidad. Number 2, anxious. Balisa o nag-aalala. English, she feels anxious before every job interview. Tagalog, nakakaramdam siya ng matinding kaba bago ang bawat job interview. Number 3, calm. Calm. Kalma o panatag. English, taking deep breaths helps me stay calm. Tagalog, ang malalim na paghinga ay tumutulong sa akin na manatiling kalmado. Stressed. Number 4, stressed. Stress o pagod sa isip. English, I have been stressed because of work lately. Tagalog, na-stress ako nitong mga nakaraang araw dahil sa trabaho. 5. Relieved. Gumaan ang pakiramdam. English, I felt relieved after talking to my friend. Tagalog, gumaan ang pakiramdam ko matapos akong makausap ng kaibigan ko. 6. Support. Tagalog, suporta. English, my family always gives me emotional support. Tagalog, palaging nagbibigay ng emotional na suporta ang aking pamilya. Dialogue 1. Talking about feelings. Anna, hi Mark, you look tired. Are you okay? Tagalog, kumusta Mark? Mukha kang pagod. Ayos ka lang ba? Mark, I've been feeling overwhelmed with work. Tagalog, pakiramdam ko ay nabibigatan ako sa trabaho. Anna, I'm sorry to hear that. Have you taken a break? Tagalog, nalulungkot akong marinig yan. Nagpahinga ka na ba? Mark, not really. I think I need some time to relax. Tagalog, hindi pa. Sa tingin ko, kailangan kong magpahinga. Anna, that's a good idea. Your health is important. Tagalog, magandang ideya yan. Mahalaga ang iyong kalusugan. Dialogue 2, asking for support. Kevin, can we talk for a while? Tagalog, pwede ba tayong mag-usap sandali? Maria, of course, what's on your mind? Tagalog, syempre, ano ang iniisip mo? Kevin, I've been feeling anxious these past few days. Tagalog, nakakaramdam ako ng matinding pag-aalala nitong mga nakaraang araw. Maria, thank you for telling me. I'm here to listen. Tagalog, salamat sa pagsasabi sa akin. Nandito ako para makinig. Kevin, I really appreciate your support. Tagalog, talagang pinahahalagahan ko ang suporta mo. Maria, you're not alone. Tagalog, hindi ka nag-iisa. Useful expressions. English, Tagalog. How are you feeling today? Kumusta ang pakiramdam mo ngayon? I need some time to rest. Kailangan ko ng oras para magpahinga. It's okay to ask for help. Ayos lang humingi ng tulong. I'm feeling better now. Mas mabuti na ang pakiramdam ko ngayon. Thank you for listening. Salamat sa pakikinig. Take care of yourself. Alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Quiz 1, multiple choice. Choose the best answer. 1. If you feel overwhelmed, you are A. Excited, B. Carrying too much stress, C. Hungry, D. Sleepy. Answer is letter. If you are or if you feel overwhelmed, you are letter B. Carrying too much stress. Number 2. Which word means panatag o kalmado? A. Anxious, B. Stressed, C. Calm, D. Lonely. Panatag o kalmado is letter C. Calm. 3. Which sentence is correct? A. I feel calm after meditation. B. I calm feel after meditation. C. Calm I feel after meditation. D. I after meditation calm. Answer is, the sentence that is correct is letter A. I feel calm after meditation. 4. Someone who is anxious usually feels A. Worried, B. Joyful, C. Energetic, D. Proud. Answer is, someone who is anxious usually feels letter A. Worried. Number 5. Emotional support means A. Helping someone emotionally, B. Buying gifts, C. Cleaning the house, D. Traveling together. Emotional support means letter A. Helping someone emotionally. Quiz 2. Match the words. Match the English word with its Tagalog meaning. English, Tagalog. Answer. Calm is number 2. Calmado. Overwhelmed. It's number 1. Nabibigatan. Relieved. It's number 4. Gumaan ang pakiramdam. Anxious. It's number 3. Nag-aalala. Support. It's number 5. Suporta. Quiz 3. Fill in the blank. Choose the correct word. Word bank, Number 1. Answer: I felt relieved after talking to my teacher. Number 2. My parents always give me emotional support. Number 3. She feels anxious before giving a speech. Number 4. I am overwhelmed because I have too much work. Number 5. Listening to music helps me stay calm. Quiz 4. True or false? Write true or false. Number 1. Being overwhelmed means you have too many responsibilities. It is true. Number 2. It is never okay to ask for help. It is false. Number 3. Deep breathing can help people feel calm. It is true. Number 4. Emotional support can come from friends and family. It's true. Number 5. Everyone feels emotions differently. It's true. Quiz 5. Choose the correct response. A. I've been feeling stressed lately. A. Congratulations. B. I'm sorry to hear that. How can I help? C. That's funny. Answer is letter B. I've been feeling stressed lately. I'm sorry to hear that. How can I help? Number 2. A. Thank you for listening. A. You're welcome. B. Goodbye forever. C. I don't care. Answer is letter A. Thank you for listening. You're welcome. Number 3. A. I feel overwhelmed. A. Maybe you should take a break. B. Eat more candy. C. Ignore everyone. Answer is letter A. I feel overwhelmed. Maybe you should take a break. Quiz 6. Sentence arrangement. Arrange the words into a correct sentence. Number 1. Answer: I am feeling anxious today. Number 2. Answer: deep breathing helps me stay calm. Number 3. Answer: my friends give me emotional support. Quiz 7. Translation practice. Translate the following into English. 1. Kalmado na ako ngayon. Answer: I am calm now. Number 2. Kailangan ko ng pahinga. Answer: I need some rest. Number 3. Salamat sa pakikinig. Answer: thank you for listening. 4. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Answer: you are not alone. 5. Na-stress ako sa trabaho. Answer: I am stressed because of work. Quiz 8. Role play. Practice with a partner. Situation 1. Your friend looks worried. Ask how they are feeling and offer support. Example: how are you feeling today? I've been feeling anxious. I'm here if you want to talk. Situation 2. You are feeling overwhelmed with school. Tell your classmate about it and ask for advice. Example: I've been feeling overwhelmed lately. What's been causing your stress? I have too many assignments. Maybe you should make a schedule and take short breaks. Quiz 9. Write your own sentences. Write one sentence using each word. Anxious, overwhelmed, calm, relieved, support. Example, I felt relieved after finishing my exam. Quiz 10. Reflection questions. Answer using complete English sentences. Bonus challenge, emotion detective. Read the sentence and identify the emotion. 1. I have 3 deadlines tomorrow and I don't know where to start. Emotion, overwhelmed. Number 2. I can't stop worrying about my presentation. Emotion, anxious. Number 3. I finally finished the project. Emotion, relieved. 4. I enjoy sitting quietly and taking deep breaths. Emotion, calm. 5. My friends listened to me when I was having a difficult day. Key idea, emotional support. Key idea, emotional support. These quizzes progress from vocabulary recognition to sentence building, translation, conversation practice, and personal reflection, helping learners strengthen both their English skills and emotional vocabulary. Learning tip. Practice these expressions with a friend or by reading them aloud. Learning how to describe emotions in English can make everyday conversations more natural and help you communicate your feelings clearly. Remember that it's okay to talk about your emotions and to seek support when you need it. This video ends here about English for mental health. Learn words and emotions with Tagalog. Thank you for watching English Tutor Hub official channel. See you next time. Bye!